Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
3 English conversations. Learn English, Part 1. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. 1. Where are you from? Listen to the dialogue. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm okay, thank you. Do you speak English? A little. Are you American? Yes, I am. I am American. Where are you from? I'm from Wisconsin. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Practice 1. Let's practice with speaker number 1. Hello. How are you? I'm okay, thank you. Do you speak English? Yes, I am. I am American. I'm from Wisconsin. Nice to meet you too. Practice 2. Let's practice with speaker number 2. Hi. I'm good. How are you? A little. Are you American? Where are you from? Nice to meet you. 2. Do you speak English? Listen to the dialogue. Excuse me, are you American? No, I'm not. I'm not American. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. How long have you been here? 3 months. What do you do for work? I'm a student. How about you? I'm a student too. How old are you? I'm 20. And you? I'm 21. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? No, I'm not hungry. I'm thirsty. I am hungry and thirsty. Let's eat something together. Okay, sounds good. Practice 1. Let's practice with speaker number 1. Excuse me, are you American? Do you speak English? How long have you been here? What do you do for work? I'm a student too. I'm 20. And you? I'm hungry. Are you hungry? I am hungry and thirsty. Okay, sounds good. Practice 2. Let's practice with speaker number 2. No, I'm not. I'm not American. A little, but not very well. 3 months. I'm a student. How about you? How old are you? I'm 21. No, I'm not hungry. I'm thirsty. Let's eat something together. 3. What's your name? Listen to the dialogue. Excuse me, what's your name? My name is Anna. What's yours? Angie. I'm Angie. You speak English very well. Thank you. Do you know what time it is? It's 4:25. What did you say? I said it's 4:25. Thanks. You're welcome. Practice 1. Let's practice with speaker number 1. Excuse me, what's your name? Angie. I'm Angie. Thank you. It's 4:25. I said it's 4:25. You're welcome. Practice 2. Let's practice with speaker number 2. My name is Anna. What's yours? You speak English very well. Do you know what time it is? What did you say? Thanks. Good job. Well done. To be continued. By the way, have you read any of my books? Which one is your favorite? If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, you can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.